Good day. So this is my program, and I added an update to it today where it's gonna say enter the length of the password instead of it automatically having it set at 10. Now you can set it to whatever you want. So let's see. So if we go ahead and put it at, say, 15, let's see what it does. Now we got a 15-digit password. If we want to do it, let's see, at 30. I don't know if that's enough digits. Well, it should be. Yeah, 30-digit password, that works too. So this will pretty much do, any website, really. So that's pretty much the update, those 2 lines of code. Let's see what happens if I comment this out. Or, hold on, pound. I think it's pound on Python. Length for pass, let's see what happens now. It doesn't work because it's thinking that it's a string. So we need that to be an integer, and that's how you make it from a string into an integer. Thank you.